Hi, Brady. It's Jeff here. Um, I'm sorry, I got my voice is kind of crappy. I had bronchitis last week, so I'm kind of dealing with that, and I'm still kind of coughing, but it's just kind of have to let it go. It's bronchitis is kind of going around here in France. We had a post up here um by Inga about what is the definition of LSP, the acronym LSP. There were lots of suggestions, and then we're going to see how the comments are. I joked that it means lame in sales and pre-sales, which a few of us have been saying for a long time that we get a better sales. So that's true. Um, there was one about language service provider. That's the standard kind of. It's always been used, and I like to stick with that, and we'll get to why. Localization success partner. Let's don't stop use the word success. Success. This is the buzzword of 2022. In fact, it's the replacement of the word quality, which is overused in this field. I keep saying, stop using the word quality. Stop talking about quality. Stop using the word quality because everybody in their headliner says the word quality, and we don't know what quality means anymore. So, why do I say we shouldn't use the word success, which is the big buzzword of 2022? Because it's always customer success all over the place for sales. Because all it's done is replaced um, what the salesperson and the pre-sales and the PM does, project management and account manager does. It's just all those people doing the same thing, just with a cooler sounding name. But why do I say? Sorry, I'm coughing, but I gotta get this video out. If I don't get the video out, I'll forget about it, and then I won't sleep at night. Okay. Um, why should we get away not use success partner? Because success is like quality. It's a given. You do success. I mean, imagine if I go on my profile, my LinkedIn profile, and I say, I am the famous failure finder, F3, famous failure finder, which is what I do. And I say in action, the value, the doing values, you got to find problems and resolve problems. Find failures and fix them. Fix failures. Famous failure fixer. I like it. F3. That's why success is a bad word, because, or just really not good, because we all want the success of the program or whatever we're doing, right? We shouldn't be talking about success. We should just be doing success. But it's as if someone else isn't doing success. Everybody wants to do success, like everybody wants to do quality. It's an oxymoron, folks. So let's not use the word success because it's just so basic. It's inherent. It's implied. Don't use the word success. That's why I hate the word. I'm sorry, I can't say that I hate the word, but I don't want to be part of a team that says I am the customer success team, because that's what I do. And I won't put it in my title unless they force me to. No, they won't force me to do it. Um, but I mean, it's so basic, folks. So that's why I said don't use success. Okay. Another reason why. Well, let's get to this one afterwards. Localization strategic partner. Don't use it because 99%. I got a kid running around here. He got an ice cream. He's saying hi. I should have said hi back. um, the why not say localization strategic partner? Because 99% of LSPs are not strategic partners in this world, in this arena. They're not strategic. They're just providers. That's what they do. So if you start having this meaning that has multiple meanings depending on who you are with your customer, that's going to create a lot of confusion. We're a localization strategic partner now after having been a language service provider for the first 3-4 years. That's just confusing. Don't go there. Don't go there. Okay. Just keep it basic. The the quasi majority, okay, 99.999999999% of projects that are of the, I'm going to say between 4,000 and 900,000, 400,000, 900,000 people doing translation. And I say that because back in 2009, I did that report on how many there were. My estimation was 300,000. So everybody and their brother and their uncle and their sister and everybody down the hall is a possible language service provider right now, right? In most companies, free. But won't go there. I mean, everybody's just providing language service. That's what they're doing. So we don't need to start trying to hop on the kind of the bandwagon of a new buzzword like AI. I mean, and machine language and machine learning. Don't need to hop on that. Just we're providing language services. It's simple. And language services provider. Language, people understand what the word language is. Service provider makes sense, right? Localization. No one knows what the word means. Don't keep trying to fight for the word localization because no one understands what the word means, okay? Language makes sense. Translation makes sense. I've stopped using the word localization for the past decade because no one knows what the freaking word means, okay? And I'm not going to try to convince them to use it because it means some people think it's like geolocation, localization. I mean, come on. Don't use it. I mean, I don't. And I don't want to confuse anybody I'm talking to. I want to make it simple for everybody. Okay. So that rules out localization success partner with the word localization don't use, the word success don't use, localization don't use, and strategic don't use because you might not be strategic. It comes back to lame sales and pre-sales. Sell more pies, folks. Sell more pies. Let's all be like TransPerfect, okay? I used to work for TransPerfect. Just sell more pies. Sell lots of more pies. And do it better. But, I mean, I'm kind of making all a joke out about this, okay? I think we're all doing our best. But what I think we need to do is we need to stop trying to make ourselves visible with buzzwords. That's not the way to do it. The way to do it is to keep it simple and not use buzzwords. Don't use words that are going to change meaning in like the next 6 months. Just keep it simple. Service provider for language. Simple. Can be anything. Can be anything. Can be monolingual, multilingual, single vendor, multi-vendor. Can be anything, right? Makes sense. This is just kind of simple stuff. Don't make something that's going to change over time, depending on what your relationship is with the B2B customer or the final end customer. Just keep it simple. That's my thoughts on it. I might be wrong, but I've been doing this for a while, so I try to keep it simple. I keep working and making it more simple. And I'm working on trying not to cough, but that's kind of not possible right now. I'm a human being. In fact, I kind of had to say no to a conference this last week because I said I haven't quite figured out how to build the kind of the device that can telepathically read my mind, then bypass my vocal cords and bypass my lungs to put a robotic voice out to actually talk for what my brain is thinking. Haven't gotten there yet. I'm waiting for Captain Kirk to arrive with the Enterprise so we can do this. So, hey, just my thoughts for today. Jeff out.